Hey, keep your eyes on your destination. No opportunity is never waiting. It might be rough while you're climbing up, cause your grind is your elevation. I stay motivated every day. Put my mission front and center with my hustle on display. It's a hard path, but I chose to never break. One step in the next, I gotta finish out the race. In life, you're gonna have competitors that challenge you. Face them down, lace them up and run a mile or two. There's nobody in your way unless you let them stay. Put in the work, then you got a lot to celebrate. Ain't no better place, push for higher stakes. Only limits from your pace is you need to be great. They fire rockets, you push it into outer space. Got a lot to take, but you're built for the elevation. It requires patience, focus on your goals, not the doubts or the statements. Victory is sweet, when you earn it, you can taste it. Go for every shot, never hit if you don't take it. Gotta fight still. Tunnel vision, never seeing stop signs. Blocking out the haters on the hotline. Prioritize, put it in your top. Motivation goals, execute, prepare, grow. Never know when your day in the light is coming up. Make sure your team's locked in and know what's up. Smarter, not harder. If they throw a red card, then applaud back to base where you started at. When you put your heart in there, make them believe you got the lead. What's the point of sweating and tears if it don't bleed? Knuckle up, facing your fears is what you need. Really your fantasies for future trials. Believe the work is well worth it. You don't have to be perfect as long as your actions lining up with your purpose. Dive in it, success is deeper than the surface. Time will show exactly what that word gets. Gotta elevate.
Looks like being the best, what it looks like to be a cut up of the rest, what it looks like being the best, what it looks like to be a cut up of the rest. Nobody understands what it takes to be the man, having every single person say you can when you can, to give up everything you've ever known for a dream and never stop the fight no matter how hard it seems. You sacrifice and bleed and you sweat and you cry, doing everything you can not to lay down and die. When you fall then you call out, there's no one to help, so you've got no other option but to pick up your sword.